how's it going? My name's Brian James. This is DB Automotive. Now, if you follow the channel, you know that I'm all about running on cars and motorbikes, sometimes buses, if you've looked at some of my more previous videos. And part of that is going to car shows. So today, we're going to go to the Hampton Downs Coffee and Classics. So it's the one big run, and it's not that big, to be honest. It's probably 200k round trip, maybe 250k round trip, up to Hampton Downs and back again. But it's a little bit of a shakedown test, as you'll see. I've got the car in full touring mode. Next week we're going to hit the South Island, so may as well give a shakedown test right now and we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, let's see what we can see. Who doesn't love a Porsche GT3 RS? Come on. Ooh, baby. And of course, the obligatory Supras. Very clean Falcon coupe. Oh man, you just gotta love that. I don't know, what is it, a passion purple? How can you not love a GT3 RS? Time, but how could you not love that? That is an amazing looking car. AMG GT. I'm not too sure if it's black. I know it's not painted black, but it's a GTR AMG, so maybe it's special anyway. And of course, it wouldn't be offset by the fact that it's got a GT3 parked next to it. Interesting colour. I don't know if the video does it justice, but time, but how could you not love that? That is an amazing looking car. AMG GT. I'm not too sure if it's black. I know it's not painted black, but it's a GTR AMG, so maybe it's special anyway. And of course, it wouldn't be offsetted by the fact that it's got a GT3 parked next to it. Interesting colour. I don't know if the video does it justice, but time, but how could you not love that? That is an amazing AMG GT. I'm not too sure. I know it's not painted black, but it's a GTR AMG, so maybe it's special anyway. And of course, it wouldn't be offsetted by the fact that it's got a GT3 parked next to it. Interesting colour. I don't know if the video does it justice, but right, seeing we're at Hampton Downs, it'd be just impolite if we didn't take a walk around on some of the cars on display in the cafe. And who doesn't love a Rota? The obligatory Honda. We've got rally cars up in the back, which is really cool. Now this is the one that really strikes me. That definitely is mouth-watering. I would love to have this in my garage, in my stable, so turn around. We've got a lot of Mad Mike's stuff on display here. Wouldn't it be nice to have the Humble in your garage? Even as you turn around. Well, I guess out of all of Mike's cars, I would have this RX-3 GT Coupe. Hell yes. Right. Okay, so that was the Hampton Downs Classic Car Show, if you want, happening once a month, Coffee and Classics. I hope you enjoyed it. So next week, I and my son will be travelling to the South Island. So I probably won't be posting anything for the next 3 to 4 weeks, but once I get back from our travels around the South Island, I will be posting up each day. I'll edit it, and maybe every week I'll put up a couple of days. So each day is going to be its own little piece of content. And yes, we're going to hit a few of the museums, Omaka, sorry, that's the first one that comes to mind. Omaka, we're going to be doing Hamner Springs, we're going to be doing Christchurch, Invercargill. There's lots of places we are going to be going to. So look, if you like what you see and you want to see more, I suggest you like and subscribe, and we are going to have a lot of fun. Okay guys, you have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.